3.5 weeks old with bad lighting and bad camera. Hey. We have little Blue right in front. This is little Blue. He's got the little blue mark on his hair. Right next to him, we have Green. And Green is a girl. Blue is a boy. I can't believe I'm using this camera. My old Mac, I'm like, I don't know, I'm technologically challenged here right now. Okay, then we have little tiny Kathy, who's not really a girl, she's a boy. All the pups range from 4 to 6.5 pounds. Can you see them all? Let's see my hair. They're just learning how to play. You have double pink white right here. And then we have single pink right here, and then purple. You can tell by their ears. Is anybody going to come up and say hi to the camera? This is Green and double pink. Double pink happens to be a male. Double pink badger is a male. And beautiful little Green is a girl. Hey guys, we just colored them again tonight, and I get so confused on the colors. This is the orange male. Hey sweetie, he's like, why'd you wake me up? Why'd you wake me up? You guys are all piled in there, huh? So there's nothing too exciting to see here, but they're so cute. This is double pink white. This is Blue down here. Then we have purple, double purple, who's a male. Wait. Yeah, double purple. I just check. I'm so bad at this. Double purple is a male. And then we have, it looks like little orange, but we repainted. And she is the monster badger female. This is the monster badger female. She's definitely enormous. I have to get her weight, but I think she's about 6 pounds. Biggest are anywhere between 6.4 and 6.8 right now. They're all down for the count. So Mom's gonna try her hand at uploading a video, and we'll see what happens. Okay. Say goodnight, sweetie. Good night.
So we've really been able to think about how to maximize light, minimize noise, and make the place as warm, inviting, and as sensible as we can for people with autism. We've also been really conscious that for many people with autism, as well as for many of the rest of us, spaces really mean something. So we want each space that a child or adult is in to have its own character. So here you'll see there's a little garden. Here we have 2 classrooms that look like different little houses. We have assessment rooms, and then you come upon the gym. And the gym is circular here to just pull kids around into the entry. Again, to just attract them. And then you can see all the windows that both let in light, but also allow parents, if they want, to come watch what their child is doing in the gym. Another goal of the center is transparency. We want parents to feel like they can see everything that happens there and that they're an integral part of what we do.